Staff, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor and a privilege to be here with you today. Firstly, I have to express my special gratitude to Mr. Ghazali Sami, the Outreach Director, for reaching out to me and engaging me with my staff on numerous because of that structure. Replacement of asbestos water pipe, 2014 at a tune of 22.5 million to improve the water quality for our people. Rural expansion project for the Greater Banjul area in 2014. This is an ongoing project and it is positively impacting lives of our people. It is also attracting investment into our country. Visits of senior government officers of the Gambia in a bilateral relation. Over the years, senior government officials have visited this country of etiquette in Lucknow. Thank you very much for the bottom of my heart. I have, what students would say.